every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay?
Utvrđujem da su danas 7.5.2016. godine u općini Jajce sklopili brak gospođica Elma i gospodin Aldin.
If she'd let me, her laugh, she hates me, I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay.